All right. Good day, everyone. Yeah, it's been, well, can I say a while? Not really a while, but I just want to do a quick review on CWG. Yeah, I did this analysis a few days ago, and the day I did the analysis, you can see this circle that is here, where this last circle was drawn. This was on the 12th of January. You can see it's actually rallied, the stock rallied, and all and crossed the resistance line here. Okay, let me zoom it out. This is good. So as you can see, I made the analysis here, this candlestick. Yeah, and based on reversal, um this reversal candlestick pattern. This is doji, right? So based on this, um then this was a signal from the this is my moving average, this blue line that you're seeing here. So my moving average is crossed, and then when it crossed, the next candle was long. So if one entered in this spot, please, the person will have taken their profit here, up here. This is a strong resistance line. But what happened was that it crossed the strong resistance line, and it broke out the strong resistance line, which actually now gives room for another strong support. So making if it's actually reached here and then came down again, and that means it might come down, hit here, and then we know there's another support in the trend line, and then to go up, or there's another um support here, but it didn't come around there. It just broke out the strong resistance line, making this resistance line now a support line. Why do I call it a support? If you can look very well, look at this last candle where CWG closed. You zoom it out well. This is remove this one. You can look at the last candle where this CWG closed. This one, this is another reversal signal. We call it this the dragonfly. Yes, that's a candle. That's what they call this candle. Candlestick, the dragonfly. This is another reversal signal. And when this shows an uptrend, there is always a high tendency that the trend will continue. It's like a continuous trade signal. So if you did not enter here, as I did the last time, if you did not enter here, make this a bit smaller so I can see. Yes, very good. So if you don't enter here, because this is why I did the analysis, and you miss out this profit here, you can also take another opportunity here, because this is a continuous trade. You can see the next day the market went down. The sellers were trying to bring it down, but buyers were a bit strong, which is a small book pullback, which also is another signal that if there's a small pullback, then there's a chance that the market will actually try to recover. So when we see candles like this, we should not fear. Okay, so this is a reversal, which I'm trying to suggest that this is actually another opportunity to enter the market. So what I'll do is I'll take this one here, this it here, just to look at the review, and that is it. And that is it. I mean, okay, so you can see this is my whole analysis here. Just to show you, this was a trend line that I drew the last time I did analysis. This was a trend line, this was a trend line, and then this is the support and resistance line. And then this is where it hit here, came down, hit here, came down, hit here. and then it broke out from here. So then as it broke out, it gave another signal with reversal signal. So this is a tendency of this stock going higher again. So that is it for CWG. This week I want to try and look into different stocks. Like example, the J's Bank. I'll check the fundamentals for that. That is in the financial sector, that is banking and finance. And we have some in the, let's say, May and Baker, the pharmaceutical sector, Apresco or Okumo Oil, Dangote, BUA, Lafarge, and maybe look into the renewable sector too. And why am I choosing this brand, these sectors? Because based on the level of our economic cycle, we are moving from the late contraction to the early contraction. So from the news that are coming out now, the is moving and is moving towards, we are saying that it's moving towards a early contraction, just that we are in the early stage of this movement. We are not like in the early contraction yet. In the early contraction, stocks that are favorable are usually construction stocks, um, manufacturing stocks, and industrial stocks, goods stocks, transportation too. However, one should always check the news and know how government policies actually affect the stocks. So yeah, I think that is that for that. I didn't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to show you another quick analysis. This week I'll try to do more of different stock. Before I was trying to do something on UPCD, but I just stopped for some time. Actually, what I did here, this was another signal here, but we just watch how this reversal was. Let me zoom out. I see it broke out this resistance line becoming a support, even broke out the trend line, which actually showed it, and there was volume here. Okay, yeah. So that is that for this. Let me quickly go back and show you something. So, okay, now this for this signal here, for this signal here, this the signal, this dragonfly reversal signal. I'll say that um I'll say that looking at the MFI money flow, because that's very important, is 50, 54. Very excellent, perfect. It's called perfect, perfect. And this even though the volume is low, we can see that volume already started here with a good strong volume, which means this volume has decided the volume for this whole trend. That's how I look at it. This volume here has decided the volume for this. So this is a continuous trade. This has touched the support line here. Then let's look at the RSI. It's not in the overbought but um region, which actually is very perfect too for another perfect entry. So looking at these indicators, everything is very good. Someone like me, I will enter here and put my stop loss maybe a bit here, or where these are my C line,